all brand new carpet, laying the carpet down. Look at that. They did some work. The fan is running. Look at this. They make some new adjustment there. I think it's a 1-inch plywood set up there. So this side is not gonna have any carpet. It's just gonna be this stuff right here. It's gonna be this one, which it's gonna be tore off. And here the bathroom's all been fixed. These guys are doing an awesome job. Look at that. I'm gonna have a brand new floors and all that thing. Very skillful. So installed, they took the toilet commode design. They have stuff they put on the floor. So this side, all of this is gonna be out the hallway. The walls already painted. And look at all this good stuff. So I've been busy, folks, moving all this stuff. I think these are kind of 10 foot, 12 foot long. So they're gonna cut it and they do one side here and the other side over there. So I bet you guys like what you're seeing, and stay tuned for more to come live from this channel, JW Solar USA. It's kind of beautiful work going here. So yeah, so stay tuned and you guys can see all the finished work products of these great guys. Thanks for watching.